Did you know a simple system restoration can fix temperature problems that have frustrated homeowners for years? Sarah rushes into the kitchen where her husband Mike is making coffee. Honey, you're not going to believe this. I just checked every room in the house with that little thermometer. Remember how our master bedroom used to be 77 degrees when the thermostat said 72? It's exactly 72 degrees right now. The basement that was always freezing cold. 72 degrees. Even the kids' rooms upstairs that never matched anything? Both exactly 72 degrees. Mike looks amazed. You're kidding me! How long did that take? Sarah grins. Less than 15 minutes after the system kicked on. For 3 years we dealt with that master bedroom being 5 degrees too hot and the basement being 10 degrees too cold. Remember that guy who wanted to sell us a whole new zone control system for $8,000? He said our dampers were broken and we needed new ductwork. Mike shakes his head. All it needed was that AC flush restoration process. Ask your HVAC technician about AC flush.